How to change display language in FxPro app. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video from Trading for Beginners. If you're trying to change the display language setting in the FxPro application using your smartphone, then here's how you do it. First of all, launch open the FxPro application on your device and make sure that you're logged in. By default, it has an English display on my device. Now, if you want to change that, go ahead and click on your profile name at the top left corner and click on Appearance. Inside Appearance, tap on Language. Now it will take you to your device's language setting page. Tap on the language option at the bottom and select the different language you want to change to. Right after you do that, open up your FxPro app and this will change your display language immediately. So there you have it. You can always switch back to whichever language you prefer using this step. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.